Hi there. Okay, this time I'm going to be going over an online note-taking system. I wanted something for my older students, junior high and high school. A lot of times I see kids walking down the hall with just armloads of spiral notebooks where they've been taking notes, and I don't know how they find anything in them. I also get high school English teachers actually are the most notorious for this in the library, wanting me to make hundreds and hundreds of pages of copies of notes for them to pass out to their students. So I think that this online note-taking system will be really helpful for them, especially with distance learning. So this is called Evernote, and you just go to evernote.com. There are all kinds of options, but you're going to have to sign up when you first go. Put that you're an educator, put your email, your name, just some basic information, and then it'll take you to a page like this. So you can go to New Note, and you can make whatever sort of note you want. Let's say this is for my English 4 class. And let's say I want to share with them, I want to insert a link. So I could type down here if I want, but I want to insert a link. So I'm going to go to Code Block, and I found right here MLA formatting. Let's say I want to share that with my students. I am going to take that and I'm going to paste it right in here. Let's do this again. I'm going to paste it right into that box. Uh-oh. I have very slow internet, so I think that's part of the issue here. Okay, paste it into that box and hit enter. And that is going to give them a link to go to find their MLA standards so that they know how I want their page formatted. And then I could type in here MLA info or something so that they have that. Link above. And then I can share this with my students. I go in here, I can get a link. I can invite people with email, either way. And something else that's really cool about this, if you sign up as a student instead of an educator, either way really you can do this, is you can take your notes and you can put them into a notebook. So let's say I want to put all my English 4 notes together. Here's all my notes. English 4. I want to put that into another notebook. I can click up there and I can get it put into my English 4 notebook. But anyway, it's a good way to organize all your notes, and you can include links, you can include pictures, all sorts of different things, photos. So anyway, really great resource for teachers and students.